And this is Beaker's Parrot Place, and these are 3 little baby kikes. Hello guys, it just arrived the other day. Probably 5.5 weeks old. Hello, how's everyone? Hello, the one in the back here, this one here. Oh, hello. Right now he's kind of got a gray head, so that's how we recognize him, with the gray head. Yeah, and then let's see, who's this one here? Who's this one? Can I see who you are? I know, aren't you cute? And then, who's that? Hello. Staring at me. Everybody's hungry. You should not be hungry. I know. Hello. There we go. Look at that, screaming babies. Hello, come around this way. I know. Hello. Let's take these up. Ready? Who's this one? Do you have any? Oh, my. There we go. Oh, hello. How are you? Sorry. Feeling nervous? Let me hold you. There we go. You okay? Put you down. How to do this one-handed. There we go. You guys playing when I came in? Huh? Yes, you were. You're Mr. Inquisitive, huh?